Come with me to my basement. It is a new week. Let's see what we're going to pull up. I think I have a grand plan. I do. I'm like thinking about these things. Okay, turkeys, glorious turkeys. 2 turkeys are going to end up coming up, and I'll take them from over here because what I decided was, see all this beef? I have beef that goes straight down there, and then I have pork actually underneath some of this. So we're actually going to, we don't use the chunked meat as much as we do ground beef. So we're gonna bring all this up so that we can grind this into meals. So all of that's gonna come up so we can just grind this up into hamburger. Okay, so we also have pork chops here. I'm gonna have her bring the pork chops up. I think what we're going to do, we really enjoy maple mustard pork. So I think I'm going to make some freezer meals out of this so it's already situated that we can just bring that up. So most of these here are going to be maple mustard pork. It's so good. All of us love it. It's like just this thing that we make and we just love it. So we will make our pork into that, and then we will do this meat here into hamburger. Should we do 2 days of turkeys or just 1?
That will all depend how many turkeys can you get in the oven.
2.
You could do 2 days because then if you cook tomorrow, if I could cook turkeys tomorrow, I could have turkeys in and I could do bread. And then if we did it Wednesday, we could do the turkeys and cookies.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
So what we're trying to do and what we're having a trouble like thinking about is we're doing cookies, and cookies are going to take a couple of days. I want to get all of our meal stuff done. I'm thinking about doing turkeys, tomorrow, which is Tuesday. If we could do 2 turkeys then, and then 2 turkeys Wednesday, that would be great. Then on Wednesday, we could actually make the cookie doughs that need to be in the fridge overnight. That's a good idea because the gingerbread men, like that one needs to be in the fridge overnight. Right. There's a couple that need to be in the fridge overnight, so we could make that Wednesday, and then we'll do all of our baking of our cookies Thursday and Friday, and then on Saturday, we can give those out to all the places that they're going to. So I think that's going to be our plan. Yes, I do think that's going to be our plan. So we're going to do 4 turkeys. We're going to take out, it's actually been working really well. So I baked them and then I cut off all the breast meat and I've been putting it in the freezer. And honestly, like that breast meat I can use for any like chicken breast recipe. So I think that I might do some like cranberry chicken. I have cranberries over in this freezer. I might actually like pull some out just to do cranberry chicken with one of those. But so if we take the meat off, like the breast meat off, and then we put that in, and then we've just been like boiling them down after, and then taking the meat off the carcasses there, and then putting that in separate bags, is a whole lot smaller than doing big turkeys like this in the freezer. We're trying to get down to 1 freezer. Yeah, I'm just kind of talking with my daughter, so I thought that I'd talk it through. A couple of people mentioned that they wanted me to talk it through, so I have some like stir fry veggie bags here, and so I think with the meat that we brought up, we can also do stir fry. So I think that one night we could do kind of like a stir fry with the pork chops, like with the veggies, and then another night in rice, and then another night we could do stir fry veggies with some of that chicken that we take off, or turkey that we take off of the turkeys. These are leftover banana muffins from this week. Did they already bring some up?
Did you bring some muffins up?
Okay, so they are bringing muffins to choir tomorrow. I see more bananas here, and I also see more berries here. I think for this coming week, what I'm going to do is let them do pancakes, like berry. I actually have more berries upstairs, so we'll use those first. Do some berries and do a large batch of pancakes with berries in them. I think that's what we're gonna do for this week, and then next week we could do either berries or bananas for pancakes and do another big batch of that, and that will use a lot of stuff up. Our goal is to try to get most of the stuff out, so to get this small freezer empty, and then put most of the stuff from the small freezer into here so that we can defrost the bottom of this freezer because there's stuff frozen on the bottom of this freezer, and then clean out this freezer completely. So I'm thinking, let's make my goal of the second week in January to be at a point where we can clean all this out and we only have enough stuff in this freezer just to fit in this freezer, and we can shut this freezer down. That's my goal. I may need to, after Christmas, I may need to take a bunch of the turkeys out and then do a canning day with the turkeys as well. We'll just see how it works out. So I'm glad you guys are along for the ride. Hot cocoa. So what I do is I just take a gallon of milk and then like 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of cocoa, and that is my hot cocoa. This is a hot mess over here. I just got back from a doctor's appointment. I'm taking these 2 turkeys and we are going to put those in the oven, and then I think I'm going to take those 2 turkeys and put those 2 in the roaster, and then the meat I'm going to put in a bowl so that we can grind. My daughter this morning is going to, actually this afternoon, it's not morning, it's afternoon, she is making the bread for the week, so she is doing 6 loaves. Helping? You don't want to help? Or you do want to help? Do you want to help or no? So this is what they're working on. So my daughter here, she took this video for me downstairs in the basement. She basically cleared a spot so she was able to fit the meat in the freezer. We always put a piece of newspaper or any type of paper or cardboard in there just so it doesn't stick together, because we have a hard enough time with meat sticking together in the freezer. So that's why there's newspaper in there. So that's what she is doing there. We actually got quite a bit of meat. It'll be nice to have it in that form because we do not eat as much beef chunks as we do hamburger, and I also have a bunch of beef chunks already canned. So if I do want to have beef chunks, then I would just use the canned ones. And see, she's layering the newspaper just like that in there. So hopefully they won't stick together. I mean, still, you might still have some things sometimes that stick together, but we have goals. We have goals. I ate some of that. That's 1 turkey from the oven. These cooking there. I am going to never, if you're ever putting them in a roaster, never trust those little poppy up things. So I'm going to turn this on low. I'm going to turn it down here. I'm going to put some water in here, and then it's going to go overnight. This one that we put in here, we're going to turn this way down. Actually, you know what? I'm actually maybe leave this until like 10. Just did this, but I'll turn the other. Oh, you like my shirt? Children are a blessing. Yes, they are. So I got the turkeys here that I'm cooking. They put all that meat away. I showed you that. I think the only things, I have a bunch of potatoes. I just got some sweet potatoes from Fiddleheads. They're like laughing and going around in circles in this house. Which really needs to be, they did Bible. We really need to like quiet down for the night. We'll do that in a minute. Okay, so I have potatoes and I have sweet potatoes. And then I also have rice. So I just figured that most likely what I'll do for the rest of this week is I could make like sweet potato fries. I could do baked potatoes, just quick and easy that way, because we're gonna do cookies tomorrow. So we're just gonna do whatever we have and just kind of throw it as a side dish. And I don't think anyone's gonna complain because we're making cookies. I mean, would they complain if the trade-off is to be able to make cookies? I don't think so. So, getting Azur's meds for the night. I'll share a couple things with you tomorrow. Probably grab the meat off of this turkey here and put that in for a stir fry for tomorrow. Okay, so this is what these look like this morning. Now I'm going to turn this up. So I'm going to turn this up to 350, probably for about an hour and a half. and we'll see how. So some people, we're leaving at 4, so it's really early. Some people might want to actually eat. I have some rice, beans, and delicata squash at the end of the table. They might want to actually eat that. I don't know. It's totally up to them. What I'm bringing is baby carrots, cheese, I have turkey, and then I have wraps. So if anyone wants cheese turkey wraps, they can have that. I'll probably bring some mayonnaise. I should grab that. There are some muffins, a couple different types of muffins. Actually, I can put this in here to make less containers. Different types of muffins. We have celery and peanut butter and some mango. Again, the turkey, a couple avocados here, and just some cheese. So that is what I am bringing for supper. So we actually had quite a few days that we did not eat at home. So I will share with you a couple things that we ate. Basically, with those turkeys, what we did was we cut the breast meat off and got all the meat off of the turkeys, and we put that either in the fridge or freezer. So we've been eating through some just to go with other things that we have, like potatoes or whatever. We've been eating some of that. And then I also made the pork and rice. I'm trying to think what else. And then just what we've been bringing to, can you not do that, please? And whatever we've just been bringing when we've been going on all of these adventures. You've seen we did the lights and caroling and that type of stuff. So yeah, guys, you got me. So I was just going to share this with you really quick. We did the maple mustard pork. We were filming all day with the cookies, so I didn't have my phone available to show you this, but I'm eating leftovers right now because I didn't really eat. We were trying to pack things up and stuff, so I grabbed I ate an avocado. So now I'm eating supper at This is the maple mustard pork, and then here is the rice. I'm just gonna warm some up. I already ate a whole avocado, so I'm not gonna worry about having, I'll probably grab, there's actually celery and peanut butter sticks, so I might grab a couple of those to go with this.